Hello, John here, and today I'm going to be going over which Course Creator 360 plan is best for you. The really good thing about all three plans is that they allow you a lot of time to play around with their software and see if it's the right fit for you. I'd say they actually give you more than enough time to make that decision. With any plan, the first plan, you get some days free. So for the starter plan, you get the first 14 days free. With the premium plan, you get the first 30 days free. And for the elite plan, you also get the first 30 days free. Now, as far as the refund policy goes, because they give you a free trial, that should act as your guarantee to kind of test out the product. But even so, if you're dissatisfied with the software, just cancel your account before the free period ends. However, on top of that, they're still going to give you a 30-day money-back guarantee only on your first paid month, as long as you fall within the first 30-day period of your first payment. In actuality, for anyone using or thinking about using Course Creator 360, you have essentially 60 days to understand and see if CC360 is for you. I don't know any other course hosting platform that does that, but they're so confident that within 30 days or 60 days, you're likely not going to cancel just because this software is so good. So as far as the starter plan goes, this is basically for individuals who aren't ready to launch their course yet, but they want to build their course. So by building their course, they can go ahead and create their website. They can start generating leads. They can create their actual course. They can actually start uploading their course material to a product. They can create the page building and the funnels. The thing that this one lacks is that they won't be able to implement automations or workflows, which are in the premium and elite plan. But overall, think of the starter plan as for you to kind of just get the foundation built when it comes to creating and marketing an online digital course. But even so, it's missing a very crucial aspect, which is automations and workflows. So I'll be going about that within the premium plan. It does come up with unlimited chat and Zoom support. So with any plan at all, this unlimited chat and Zoom support has been extremely helpful for when I was setting up my own course within CC360. As far as their site building goes, a lot of it is based on proven websites and builders that have worked for their own products. The team behind CC360, they've netted well over millions of dollars selling their own digital courses related to course creation and filmmaking. A lot of what they provide within CC360 is proven on their own experience. Moving on to the premium plan, this is for individuals looking to start selling their online course from my interpretation. So again, the first 30 days are free. You're getting everything here. And this is when you actually start joining on their bi-monthly group calls with Stockton. So Stockton is one of the lead creators of Course Creator 360. Now, automations and workflows, this is when you could actually start nurturing your leads through automations once they opt into one of your landing pages, for example. So automation workflows is available with the premium plan. You also get surveys, you're able to start blogging, you're able to create your custom mobile app. With that, I know with Kajabi or Thinkific, they had their own app, but it was labeled as Kajabi or it was labeled as Thinkific. You get your own custom branded mobile app when you join CC360. They increase the amount of funnel and website templates that you can base your websites and funnels off of. How CC360 works is that they're able to see the analytics of all the funnels that their users are creating. Every month, they choose a funnel of the month, which is the highest converting funnel out of all the members of CC360. And I think with permission, they ask if it's okay if they release that funnel to the public so that I can just take that funnel, duplicate it, and then just input my own branding within it and see if that funnel works for my audience. They have a free DNS and email delivery set up. With me, I'm really not all too tech savvy when it comes to setting up my website and hosting. What happens is that you schedule a call with one of their tech support people and they guide you hand in hand how to set up your DNS and email deliverability setup. I think that's absolutely phenomenal, and that onboarding process just made me love CC360 even more, because if you're not tech savvy, they're going to help you make sure that your domain name is set up and also that your email deliverability is set up. In regards to the one extra business account, this is crazy because with Kajabi, you can only host one brand with that Kajabi account. But with CC360, you actually get one extra business account. So let's say that you have a online course that teaches digital marketing, but then you have an online course that teaches fitness and nutrition. With one plan, you can actually get two accounts. And I think that's extremely cool. With the upside of that, it just comes to if you have two brands, two things that you're selling that are two entirely different niches, you can have two DNS and email deliverability set up so that both your brands are within one CC360 login, which makes it very easy to use. You don't have to log in and out. Let me actually show you how this works. In this upper left-hand corner that you see here, you would just click this and choose your other account that's tied to your one plan. Moving on, so you get about 29,000 emails per month, and that recurs, or 1,900 free texts per month. So with the emails and texts that are included with your premium plan here, those roll over, which is really cool. And I think each extra is like $10, but I could be wrong about that. I'll have to double check on that. But what I really do like is the aspect of rolling over. If you only use like 14,000 emails, that rolls over to your next month. If you only use like 100 texts, the rest of those texts roll over to the next month. So it makes it very, very cool in terms of, I don't think you are gonna ever run out. Unless you're a really big business, then just pay for more emails or texts. But even so, for beginner online course creators just like me, 28,000 is more than enough, 1,900 is more than enough, and even if I don't use them all, they roll over to the next month, which is really cool. Now, as far as the elite plan goes, I do think this is for people who are have multiple online courses, brands that they sell. So it comes with 2 extra CC360 accounts, more funnels and website templates, an advanced audio player, again, the free DNS setup, unlimited emails. I think that's the main key. So if you're sending over 100,000 emails per month, then the elite plan is likely for you. And then 2,500 free texts per month. Although it's not a big difference between the premium plan, I still think that's extremely worth it. Again, as far as which plan is for you, if you're just building your course, you want to go with the starter plan. If you have just a single brand that sells a single digital course or single digital product or multiple products but a single brand, then the premium plan is for you. But if you're like a conglomerate and you sell multiple products within different niches that are not really tied to each other, then I would say the elite plan is for you. And overall, again, they give you 60 days free to try out their product, which is more than enough. You know, the last 30 days of that though is technically paid, but they have a refund guaranteed, which if you're not satisfied with your first paid month, then they'll go ahead and refund you. But that comes after the first 30 days free. I'm pretty sure after their first 30 days free of actually using CC360, you're gonna get a good understanding of whether or not this product is actually for you. Just to reiterate, some key features that come with all plans. They come with those free trial periods, 14 days, 30 days, 30 days. They come up with unlimited chat and Zoom support, and I think that's absolutely phenomenal. It's literally like this drop-down window, and I kid you not, every time I've asked for support, they got back to me within like 10 minutes. I kid you not, and I've asked them probably 20 plus questions. So with that, this is probably the best support I've ever received from a software like this. Kajabi support is pretty good, but then CC360 is actually extremely good in terms of how responsive they are and how quick they are to get back to you and solve your issue. A lot of the times they'll actually send you a screen recording to solve that issue, and it just makes it very easy to follow step by step what they're doing in the screen recording so that you can solve your problem. The free DNS setup with coming up with their premium and elite plans, for a non-tech savvy guy like me who just wants to get their website up and running, this is absolutely phenomenal. It makes it very easy. It takes like less than 15 minutes. You schedule a time at your convenience. Really, the team behind CC360, they've got this on lock. If you want to see a Course Creator 360 demo, then make sure to watch this video here to see me demoing my own brand using Course Creator 360.